गोयात खाजना ही पारंपारीक शेतां. आतांच्या तेंपार खाजना पिकोवपाचें प्रमाण दिसान दीस कमी जायत आशिल्ल्याचें पळोवपाक मेळटा. खाजना कशी सांबाळून दवरची ते विशीं सरकारी अधिकाऱ्यांक खासा मार्गदर्शन दिवपी कार्यावळ आज पणजे जाली.
He is very concerned about the environment. One of the major issues we are having, bands or Khazan lands, which we have inherited from our ancestors. We in government believe that we have to preserve them. This exercise is not a simple one, it is a challenge. And that is why for the first time, workshop to educate ourselves, besides also educating government employees. Through the deliberations, there will be many an issue from the Khazans Society of Goa, Town and Country Planning, Goa State Biodiversity Board, Environment Department, Wetlands Authority. And all together, they will be conducting a brainstorming for the workshop today.
ताचे उपरांत हे अधिकारी शेतकारांक मार्गदर्शन करतले म्हूण पर्यावरण मंत्री अलेश शिकेर सांगता.
Thereafter, we believe that the youth will spread the word in their villages. That is how we decided to undertake this particular workshop. Government is concerned, and one very clear area, for example, is government passing an act. I mean, not passing an act, I stand to be corrected. But at the last cabinet meeting, we have given due recognition to the salt pans.
प्रुडंटा खातीर स्वप्नील तारी.